Well, the most exciting bit is certainly the dividend, but this result was still a beat on expectations despite a fall in oil prices and a compression in chemical margins through the first quarter of the year. Aramco saying, nevertheless, this was a strong result despite the fact that we saw the number falling by around 19%. So when you look at the raw numbers here, net income for the first quarter crossed at $31.8 billion. That's down from $39.47 billion for the same quarter last year. But Aramco also says this weaker result was offset by lower taxes and higher finance and other income. Interestingly, the cash flow number is also critical to look at now in light of this new dividend announcement. Free cash flow rose to $39.6 billion. That is up from $38.2 billion. The company commentary always critical as well here. The Aramco CEO Ahmed Nasser saying, "We are moving forward with our capacity expansion and our long-term outlook remains unchanged as we believe oil and gas will remain critical components of the global energy mix for the foreseeable future." As you say, Steve, no surprises there. Aramco also revealed today that it's going to pay this performance-linked dividend. That is in addition to the dividend that it already pays the Saudi government. It is, of course, one of the most profitable companies in the world, and the bulk of its earnings do go to the Saudi government. That dividend is going to stay intact, but Aramco revealed today it's going to pay a performance-linked dividend on top of that. It's going to target between 50 and 70% of the free cash flow number. It's going to be paid quarterly, and it's going to be paid at the sole discretion of the company's board, depending on how well the company performs. So this is overall a positive result from the world's largest oil and gas company, a beat on expectations in the first quarter despite a challenging macroeconomic environment.